Does your home's siding feel more like a background wall than a statement piece? You're not alone. For many homeowners, siding is treated as just a shell. Functional, sure, but not inspiring. Over time, it can fade, crack, or just blend in with the neighborhood. Here's the good news. You don't need a contractor or a massive budget to make a difference. With the right siding updates, you can instantly add curb appeal, boost durability, and make your outdoor space feel like an extension of your personality. In this video, we're exploring 5 powerful siding ideas. Vinyl siding options for budget-friendly versatility, wood and shingle styles for warmth and character, brick and stone accents for timeless strength, fiber cement choices for durability with design, and mixed material designs for a custom high-end look. Stick around, because the last idea might just be the fastest way to make your house look like it belongs on a magazine cover. Hit subscribe for more weekly home transformations, and give this video a thumbs up if curb appeal is on your to-do list.
Welcome to Architecture Inspiration X, your go-to space for elegant, creative, and practical home design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly transformative for your outdoor space: patio pergola ideas. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how the right pergola can turn your patio into a stunning retreat.
Vinyl siding options. First up, vinyl siding. It's one of the most popular choices for good reason. Affordable, low maintenance, and now more stylish than ever. Take the Harper family. They replaced their 15-year-old beige vinyl with a modern slate blue. The cost was half of other options, but the transformation? Priceless. Neighbors thought they'd done a full renovation. Tips to try: choose modern, bold colors like navy, charcoal, or forest green instead of standard beige. Upgrade to insulated vinyl siding to improve energy efficiency. Mix horizontal and vertical panels for visual interest. Styling ideas. Pair with crisp white trim for a clean look. Add shutters or black window frames for contrast. Use a darker shade on the lower level for grounding. Why it works? Vinyl siding instantly refreshes your home at a fraction of the cost, while new textures and colors give it personality. Want my list of trending vinyl colors for 2025? Grab the free vinyl inspiration guide linked below. Wood and shingle styles. Next, wood and shingle siding. If you want charm, texture, and that warm cottage feel, Wood is unmatched. The Martins swapped their aluminum siding for cedar shingles. Instantly, their home felt like a coastal retreat, even though they live in the suburbs. Ideas to try: cedar shingles for a timeless Cape Cod vibe, horizontal wood planks for rustic warmth, painted shingles in soft grays or greens for charm. Pro tips: treat or seal wood regularly to protect against weather. Mix wood shingles on upper levels with stone or brick at the base. Use light stains to highlight natural grain. Why it works: wood adds warmth and depth, making your home feel inviting and timeless. Which would you choose? Natural cedar or painted shingles? Tell me in the comments. Brick and stone accents. Nothing says strength and timelessness like brick and stone accents. Full stone siding can be pricey, but even small accents make a huge difference. The Johnsons added stone veneer around their entryway and brick columns to their porch. The result? Instant luxury without a full overhaul. Ideas to try: add stone to pillars or porch bases. Use brick as an accent wall or chimney wrap. Mix stone with siding for contrast. Pro tips: stick to natural tones for flexibility. Pair stone with warm lighting for evening drama. Use lightweight veneers for budget-friendly installs. Why it works: stone and brick bring texture, permanence, and high-end appeal to any home. Want affordable stone veneer options? Check out my recommended suppliers in the description. So here's the question: is your home's siding just a backdrop, or is it part of the story? With vinyl siding, wood and shingles, brick and stone accents, fiber cement panels, or mixed materials, you can transform your exterior into something bold, welcoming, and uniquely yours. Even one small upgrade like swapping vinyl colors, adding stone columns, or mixing textures, can completely shift the way your home feels and looks. Which siding idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe for weekly design tips and outdoor makeovers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.